In comparison, milligram.
Now if you fill a cubic centimeter with the mass of 1,000 milligrams, you can see the volume of a milliliter, 1/1000th of a liter. But by 1,000 grams, the mass would be a kilogram. Travel across the land, it's still a kilometer. And now the world can play. Make a cube, won't you make a cube? We make a cube 1/10 the unit. Once you have that cube, then you fill that cube. It has a volume of exactly 1 liter. It's a mass of exactly 1 kilogram. Quickly this water boils at 100. And 0 it freezes. Make a cube, won't you make a cube? It goes 10 by 10 by 10 all around. Make a cube, won't you make a cube? It goes 10 by 10 by 10 all around and 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 around. American metric. Whoa, 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 whoa.
And now, hey, hey, the rain is chasing, so is gasoline, you'll see. 10 by 10 by 10 by is your life for us. And now we feel the weather is out there. You got the time, Mr. Metric.
Simply make a cube from 1/10 the base unit meter and fill it with water. It has the capacity of exactly 1 liter and the mass of exactly 1 kilogram. Do it with me now. Make a cube 1/10 the unit meter. It's the volume of exactly 1 liter. It's the mass of exactly 1 kilogram. To please us, water boils at 100, and at 0 it freezes like a dollar. It has 100 cents. You can bet your centy dollar that it does make sense worldwide in the metric system for you and for me. Simple, convenient, accurate.
That's how it works. The metric system. It's based on 10 times 10. First, you count to 10 of whatever you have handy.
It's all related in 10.
Convenient prefix attached to base unit shows quantity, size, or value in tens, 100s, and thousands.
Writing is easy. Symbols identify prefix and base unit together. For most everyday experience, useful prefixes are kilo, 1,000, centi, 1/100th, and milli, 1/1000th. In comparison, milligram, 1/1000th of a gram. We trust the accuracy in science and medicine because there are exactly 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram.
Gram.
1/1000th of a kilogram. That gram is the unit of mass you can hardly feel at the end of your finger. In comparison, a gram is about as heavy as an ordinary letter,
A raisin.
a paper clip, or a dime.
Kilogram is the base unit for mass.
Remember, there are exactly 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. 1,000 grams? This package of ground beef is 1 kilogram. Picture a newborn baby the mass of 3 kilograms, or 6-week-old puppy as heavy as 1 kilogram.
This 5-kilogram roast can easily serve over 10 or 12 people.
Whereas a 10-kilogram turkey should serve about 20 happy appetites.
Kilograms can be very heavy. But 1,000 kilograms is 1 ton. Each rail car contains about 42 tons.
Milligram.
Gram, kilogram, ton, all derived from kilogram, base unit for mass.
Did you know you can divide a meter by exactly 10 equal parts? Make a cube of it to fill with water. It has the volume of 1 liter, and it is the mass of 1 kilogram, all simply related.
At home, around the world.
The metric system used is SI. The international system.
It works in 10.
That's how it works. The metric system is based on 10. Times 10. Times 10.
American metric. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Had I known that you were dressed like this, I probably wouldn't have come out at all. But I think this is a wonderful thing you're doing. Obviously, you are attracting attention of adults and children alike to help explain in kind of a fun and amusing way what the metric system is all about.
For you and for me.